Let's meet okra, a journey of discovery. Okra, also known as ladyfinger, is a flowering plant in the Malvaceae family native to Africa and Asia. It is cultivated in tropical, subtropical, and warm temperate regions around the world. Here's all you need to know about okra. Appearance and taste. Okra pods are long, slender, and finger-shaped with a slightly ribbed surface and a fuzzy coating. They range in color from green to burgundy depending on the variety. Okra pods. The pods are filled with small, white seeds. Okra, also known as lady's fingers, is a flowering plant that belongs to the mallow family. Okra has a mild, grassy flavor with a slightly sweet and earthy undertone. It is also low in calories and fat. Culinary uses. Okra is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. It is commonly used in soups, stews, and gumbos where its mucilage helps to thicken the broth. Okra can also be roasted, grilled, fried, or pickled. In some cultures, the leaves and flowers of the okra plant are also eaten. Health benefits. One of the standout benefits of okra is its role in promoting gut health. Okra is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber, folate, and magnesium. Thanks to its high fiber content, okra helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, supporting regularity and overall digestive wellness. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, okra may offer some support. Studies suggest that certain compounds in okra may help regulate blood sugar levels. Okra is also rich in antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. These powerful plant compounds contribute to overall health and well-being. There you have it, the wonderful world of okra. Whether you're a long-time fan or new to the okra scene, I hope this video has inspired you to incorporate this nutritious and versatile vegetable into your culinary repertoire. Until next time, keep exploring the joys of food. See you in the next video.